Hello, welcome back to DoubleTick. In this video, I'll show you how do you directly delete a template from your Facebook Business Manager in just a few steps. Before we start, one thing you must know. Deleting a template is permanent and cannot be undone. Meta also blocks you from reusing that template name for up to 30 days after deletion. So double-check that you have the right template and the right WhatsApp account before you proceed. Start by signing into your DoubleTick account and going to the home page. In the WhatsApp account overview, select the WABA or channel where the template was created. Take a moment to verify the WhatsApp API number shown for that account. This step is important. It ensures you're opening the correct account in Meta, not a different one. Once you've confirmed the account, click Go to FBM account on the right side of the overview. DoubleTick will open Meta's WhatsApp Manager in a new tab, already scoped to the account you selected. If you're prompted to log in, use the Meta account that has access to that business. Inside WhatsApp Manager, open Message Templates from the left menu and click Manage Templates. Find your template, use the search bar if the list is long. Before selecting it, check the name, category, and language to confirm it's the right one. Once confirmed, select the checkbox next to the template name. Click Delete at the top of the list. Review the confirmation message and click Delete anyway. The template is now permanently removed from that WhatsApp account. That's how you safely delete a WhatsApp message template using DoubleTick without the risk of opening the wrong account. If you found this helpful, check out more tutorials on our channel. Drop any questions in the comments below.